We are headed out onto the Chowan River. So we have to cross the Chowan, go around the top of the island, then back down. The wind is blowing. It's about 10 to 15 miles per hour from the north. So I'm going to be paddling into it until we get around the other side of the island. We're down by Tyner, about 15-20 miles from Edenton maybe. It's going to be choppy. We'll see what happens. So I'm on the eastern side of the island, the leeward side. We made the 1.3 mile crossing in about a half an hour, 25 minutes. Not too bad. Maintained about 3 miles per hour according to the GPS. I knew the wind was going to be blowing from the north, which is why I chose that put-in. It's always easier to paddle against the wind. You wouldn't think so, but longer boats, any oblong shaped object is going to weathercock in the wind. Basically the wind is going to point your boat straight into the wind all the time. It's going to try to do that. So instead of forcing it, I went straight up to the back side of the island. And plus the island gave me some shelter from the wind too. I'm gonna catch my breath here for a minute. We are camping on the opposite side of the island. So I'm gonna keep heading north into the wind. We're gonna come around the tip of it in the wind, and we'll have to make that turn and then go with the wind. Which is more difficult in my opinion. You can't see the waves coming. It affects your stern strangely, trying to push you all over the place. It's doable. It's always doable. It's just a little bit harder on the paddler. Anyways, I'm going to take a quick break and then we'll go around the point and see if we can find our campsite. This is Holladay Island East camping platform. We're going to be on the other side of the island, but I'm sure it'll be similar. Ooh, I like this. Some fish bones. So here's our campsite. I'm going to check it out. I'll bring some stuff because it's all going up there anyways. Nice big platform. 4x4s feel strong enough to hold a hammock. Maybe not that one. There's my hammock, my tarp, my chair, my boat. My gloves trying to dry out. Nothing special. Just a place to live for the night. I'm gonna relax. I gotta get the batteries charged up. GoPro batteries. Stuff is drying. Mosquitoes aren't bad. I did turn the thermocell on. If you don't know what this is, you need to find out. So as far as camp equipment, this is UGQ tarp. It's set high right now. You can, if you lower it down, you can snap these two together, and it ends up looking like an A-frame tent. You can drop it down. I probably will before I go to bed. Just drop it down because there is rain coming. I hang all my bags inside to keep everything dry. Got 3 lights right here. This one's pretty cool. This one lights up. I'll show it to you later. The hammock I use is War Bonnet Blackbird. This underquilt is, I think this is JRB. This is a lightweight underquilt. It's not cold out. I probably don't even need it, but I like the extra protection from the mosquitoes, because when you're laying in there, your skin is up against the side of the hammock, and they probably can't get through it, but I don't know. You can always take things off. You know, you can't, if you don't have it, you can't add it. If you have it, you can always take it off. What else? That is a cheapo Amazon table. G4 free. Helinox chair. That is not cheap, but it's very lightweight. Works great. I just brought a very lightweight sleeping bag. No, nothing fancy there. And I always bring this little pillow. I don't know who made it. Centaurus. But this little pillow packs down super small, and it's all you need in a hammock. You don't need much in a hammock. It's got like chunks of foam in it. It feels like a down pillow when you're sleeping on it. I like it. I need a pillow. I'm getting old. I never used to use a pillow. Used to just sleep on my arm or sweatshirt. That's it. That's camping. Got my water shoes, jet boil, coffee. I just made some hot chocolate. I'm gonna sit down and enjoy that. Freeze-dried rice and chicken, carrots, celery, and red peppers. Another cool thing about those meals too is when you're done, you have an empty, sealable, semi-sealable bag for trash and whatnot. You don't have a lot of trash. It'll all fit in there. 10 minutes and you're eating dinner. Ooh. 12, 13 minutes and you're eating dinner. That's way too hot. Just put boiling water in it about 10 minutes ago.